Hi students, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have discussed about logarithmic differentiation. If the function is of the form f of x power g of x, then we use logarithm. Sometimes we use the formula d by dx of f of x power g of x. Suppose it is of the form f of x power g of x, then we use logarithm. It is the first model. Otherwise, the formula is d by dx of f of x power g of x is equal to f of x power g of x into g of x into f dash of x by f of x plus log f of x into g dash of x. Some problems are discussed in the previous class. Today, one more problem is, if x power y plus y power x is equal to a power b, then find dy by dx. Okay. Given that x power y plus y power x is equal to a power b. Here we observe that it is a function in terms of both x and y. So, directly to write it, suppose the function in terms of x, then it is denoted by y. Here the given function is write as x power y plus y power x is equal to a power b. First of all, let x power y is taken as u and y power x is taken as v. Then 1 implies u plus v is equal to a power b. U plus v is equal to a power b. Differentiation with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x. U plus v derivative du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to d by dx of a power b. Du by dx plus dv by dx. What is the derivative of constant? A power b is also constant term. The derivative of the constant term is 0. It is equation number 2. Okay. So, to find du by dx and dv by dx, here u is equal to x power y. Part 1. U equal to x power y. Okay. Here we observe that it is of the form f of x power g of x. Right. F of x is equal to x. G of x is equal to y. F dash of x is equal to the derivative of x is 1. And g dash of x is equal to the derivative of y is denoted by dy by dx. Then here du by dx is equal to d by dx of x power y. That is, it is of the form d by dx of f of x power g of x. The formula is f of x power g of x. F of x means x power g of x. G of x means okay. Here it is okay. If u is equal to x power y, differentiation with respect to x, u derivative is du by dx and d by dx of x power y. Okay, d by dx of x power. It is of the form d by dx of f of x power g of x. D by dx of f of x power g of x. Then du by dx is equal to f of x power g of x. F of x means here x. Power g of x means y into. What is the formula? G of x. G of x means y into f dash of x by f of x. Here f dash of x is 1 and f of x is x. 1 by x plus log f of x. Here f of x means x. Log f of x means log x into g dash of x. What is g dash of x? Dy by dx. Okay. Du by dx is equal to x power y into multiplying with the term x power y into 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1 plus x power y into log x into dy by dx. These two terms are bases are equal, so powers are adding. Then x power y minus 1 into y plus x power y into log x into dy by dx. It is denoted by du by dx. Okay, part 2. What is part 2? V is equal to v is equal to y power x. Here f of x is equal to y, g of x is equal to x, implies f dash of x is equal to the derivative of f of x is denoted by f dash of x. What is the derivative of y? dy by dx, comma, g dash of x is equal to 1. Now differentiation with respect to x, v derivative is denoted by dv by dx is equal to d by dx of y power x. Okay, the formula is f of x power g of x. Here f of x means y, g of x into g of x into f dash of x by f of x. G of x means x into f dash of x by f of x. F dash of x means dy by dx by f of x. F of x means to write here 1 by y. Dy by dx by y can be written as dy by dx into 1 by y plus log f of x. F of x means y. Log f of x means log y into g dash of x. G dash of x means 1. There is no right here. Multiplying with y power x. Y power x into dy by dx into 1 by y can be written as y power minus 1 plus y power x into log y. It is dv by dx. Here these two terms are bases are equal. So powers are adding. dv by dx is equal to y power x minus 1 into x into dy by dx. Okay students, here plus y power x into log y. Okay, so here we have to find du by dx and dy by dx. These two values substitution in equation 2. du by dx comma dv by dx values substitution in 2. Observe that it is the one of the most important problem. Okay, du by dx means to write here the place x power y minus 1 into y plus x power y into log x into dy by dx plus here dv by dx to write here y power x minus 1 into x into dy by dx plus y power x into log y is equal to 0. Observe that here the two terms, the remaining two terms. So totally 4 terms. Here to find dy by dx, so dy by dx in the two terms, to common the term dy by dx, then it is dy by dx into, here it is common, then the remaining term is x power y into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. Okay students, what is the remaining term? First and last term to write right side and the common minus of x power y minus 1 into 1 plus y power x into log y. Observe that first of all the term to right side minus and the term is also minus, to common the term minus. Here the bracket is multiple of dy by dx, so that side it is divisible. Then dy by dx is equal to minus of x power y minus 1 into y plus y power x into log y by x power y into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. It is the value of dy by dx. Okay. The next problem is, the next model is if y is equal to 1 minus 2x whole power 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x whole power minus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 6x whole power 5 by 6 into 1 plus 7x whole power minus 6 by 7, then find dy by dx. Here logarithm differentiation. F of x power g of x is a function, is of the form, then we use compulsory take log on both sides. And also the logarithm applies either the function is of the form u by v or u into v, u by v and u into v. Okay, here it is of the form u by v. So, to find the derivative by using the formula u by v, or take log on both sides and simplification, then we get easily derivative. Okay, compulsory you apply logarithm only when the function is of the form f of x power g of x. And if the function is of the form either u by v or u into v, then we use the formula, or sometimes we use logarithm. But here we use logarithm, then you can solve easily. So, to write the model. Okay, solution. Here, given that y equal to 1 minus 2x whole power 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x whole power minus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 6x whole power 5 by 6 into 1 plus 7x whole power minus 6 by 7. It is a function in terms of x, so it is denoted by y. Already the function is denoted by y in the question. So, to write here, apply log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of 1 minus 2x whole power 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x whole power minus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 6x whole power 5 by 6 into 1 plus 7x whole power minus 6 by 7. You observe that it is of the form u by v log a by b. Log a by b formula is log a minus log b. Here to write the formula, log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So, it is of the form log a by b. The formula is log a minus log b. Here to write log 1 minus 2x whole power 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x whole power minus 3 by 4. It is a log a minus log b log of 1 minus 6x whole power 5 by 6 into 1 plus 7x whole power minus 6 by 7. Okay, log AB, what is the formula? Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. So, it can be written as log A plus log B. Okay, students, here it is of the form log AB. Formula is log A plus log B, but the front side is minus. So, multiplying with minus, then to write log A actually plus log B, but multiplying with minus, then minus log B. Students, are you understand? It is of the form log AB, log A plus log B. To multiplying with minus, then the two terms already minus. Here it is of the form log A power m. Log A power m is equal to m into log A. So, m means 2 by 3 into log of 1 minus 2x. Here minus 3 by 4 into same formula, log of 1 plus 3x minus 5 by 6 into log of 1 minus 6x minus into minus plus 6 by 7 into log of 1 plus 7x. Okay, just we are simplify the question only. Here it is log y. Okay, differentiation with respect to x. Here we use the formulas. The first formula is d by dx of ku. What is the formula? K into du by dx constant, then we use front side k into du by dx. Next formula is d by dx of log x. What is the formula? 1 by x. d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay, students. Differentiation with respect to x. Log y derivative is, if y is the term treated as x, then log x derivative is 1 by x into the term treated as x is y, so it is the derivative is dy by dx. Here 2 by 3 is constant to right front side. It is of the form log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x, 1 by 1 minus 2x into d by dx of 1 minus 2x minus 3 by 4 into, similarly 1 by 1 plus 3x into d by dx of 1 plus 3x minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 1 minus 6x into d by dx of 1 minus 6x. Similarly, same formula, constant covered front side 6 by 7. It is of the form log x. Log x derivative is 1 by 1 plus 7x into d by dx of 1 plus 7x. Okay, the remaining part. Okay, here y is divisible to right side, then it is multiple. Then dy by dx is equal to y into 2 by 3 into here 2 by 3 into 1 by 1 minus 2x into d by dx of 1 minus 2x. It is of the form u minus v du by dx minus dy by dx. D by dx of 1 0 minus d by dx of 2x, 2 constant front side, x derivative is 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 1 plus 3x into d by dx of 1 0 3 into x 3 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 1 minus 6x into d by dx of 1 0 d by dx of 6x 6 into 1 plus 6 by 7 into 1 by 1 plus 7x into d by dx of 1 0 d by dx of 7x derivative is 7 into 1. Okay, dy by dx is equal to y into 2 by 3 into 1 by 1 minus 2x into 2 into 1 2 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 1 plus 3x into 3 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 1 minus 6x into 6 into 1 6 0 minus 6 minus 6 plus 6 by 7 into 1 by 1 plus 7x into 7 y into 2 into minus 2 minus 4 by 3 into 1 minus 2x. Simplification just only 3 into 3 9 9 into 1 9 minus 9 by 4 into 1 plus 3x. Here 6 6 cancel, minus into minus plus 5 by 1 minus 6x. Here 7 7 cancelled plus 6 by 1 plus 7x. It is the function derivative. Okay. The next sum is one of the problem on this model. If y equal to x cube into root of 2 plus 3x by 2 plus x into 1 minus x, then find dy by dx. Here the function is again y equal to x cube into root of 2 plus 3x can be written as 2 plus 3x whole power 1 by 2 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x. Apply log on both sides. Then log y is equal to log of x cube into 2 plus 3x whole power 1 by 2 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x. Here it is of the form log a by b. What is the formula? Log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. Here it is of the form log ab can be written as log a plus log b. And it is also log ab. What is the formula? Log ab formula is log a plus log b, but here front side is minus, so multiplying with minus, then the formula is log minus log a multiplying with minus minus log b. Okay, differentiation with respect to x. Log y derivative already in the previous problem discussed. 1 by y into dy by dx. Sorry. Log y is equal to log x cube. It is of the form log a power m. Formula is m into log a. M into log a plus 1 by 2 into log of 2 plus 3x. The remaining two terms same, right, as usually. 2 plus x minus log of 1 minus x. Here a differentiation with respect to x. Okay students, log y derivative is 1 by y into dy by dx. Here 3 is constant to right front side and d by dx of log x is 1 by x. 1 by 2 is the constant front side. Log x derivative is 1 by x. What is the term treated as x? 2 plus 3x. So it is right as d by dx of 2 plus 3x minus here direct term log x derivative 1 by x. What is the term treated as x? 2 plus x minus 1 by 1 minus x into d by dx of 1 minus x. Here y is in the denominator. To right side, then it is in the numerator. Y into 3 into 1 by x can be written as 3 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3x into d by dx of 2 plus 3x. d by dx of 2, 0 plus 3 into 1 already. d by dx of 3x, 3 is constant to right front side. 3 into d by dx of x means 1 minus 1 by 2 plus x into d by dx of 2, 0. d by dx of x, 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x into 0 minus 1. Here dy by dx is equal to y into 3 by x plus 3 into 1, 3, 0 plus 3, 3. 3 into 1 into 1, 3. And the denominator is 2 into 2 plus 3x. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 by 2 plus x. 0 minus 1, minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 by 1 minus x. So it is the derivative of the given function. Okay, students, if f of x is equal to sine inverse of square root of x minus beta by alpha minus beta, g of x is equal to tan inverse of square root of x minus beta by alpha minus x, then f dash of x is equal to g dash of x. To prove that f dash of x means the derivative of the f of x is equal to derivative of the g of x. First of all, the given function is given that f of x is equal to sine inverse of square root of x minus beta by alpha minus beta. Here sine inverse is in the right side. Okay, to right left side, then it is sine f of x is equal to square root of x minus beta by alpha minus beta. Here sine f of x is equal to root apply both the terms, root of x minus beta by alpha minus beta. Okay students, here actually in the trigonometric function it is denoted by sine theta. Here theta means f of x. Okay students, you observe that here theta means f of x. Here a, b, c are the letters denoted by the vertices. Okay, and here sine theta, theta means it is an angle. Here theta means f of x. Here sine theta means in the trigonometric function sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here it is theta, the opposite side is AB and the hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side is BC. Okay, right. Here AB means opposite side. Here sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is square root of x minus beta. And adjacent hypotenuse is AC is equal to square root of alpha minus beta. To find BC, it is a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. By Pythagoras theorem, Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Side square means AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. You can understand? Okay, students. AB square. AB square means here what is AB? Square root of x minus beta. X minus beta whole square plus BC square. To write BC square. AC square means square root of alpha minus beta whole square. Here square root cancelled. X minus beta plus BC square is equal to alpha minus beta. Here minus beta in left side, minus beta in right side are cancelled. Then what is the remaining term? X plus BC square is equal to alpha. BC square is equal to alpha minus x. Here x is in the left side to right side minus x. BC square is equal to alpha minus. BC is equal to square root of alpha minus x. Okay. Finally, to find BC, what is the value of BC? Square root of alpha minus x. Okay, students. Now, from triangle ABC, tan f of x to find. Tan f of x. Okay. Tan f of x means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB by adjacent side is BC. Tan f of x is equal to what is AB? Square root of x minus beta by what is BC? Square root of alpha minus x. Root A by root B can be written as root of A by B. Tan f of x is equal to square root of x minus beta by alpha minus x. Okay, tan in the left side. To write right side, then it can be written as tan inverse square root of x minus beta by alpha minus x. Here you observe that it is in the question. Tan inverse of square root of x minus beta by alpha minus x can be written as g of x. So, f of x is equal to g of x. Finally, you have to prove that f of x is equal to g of x. Here differentiation with respect to x. F of x derivative is denoted by f dash of x and g of x derivative is denoted by g dash of x. Okay, it is also one of the most important problem. Today the class is completed. Tomorrow we will meet again.